tutorial. And before I get to today's tutorial, I would like to say a couple words. I didn't do tutorials the last 4 days. I didn't get to it, but actually most weekends and Mondays and Tuesdays I won't get to it. Anyway, to the tutorial. So this tutorial is basically how to use do until. You might have already seen it or even used it by following other tutorials, but maybe you don't understand what exactly do until is. Now, maybe you understand what it is because it's pretty self-explanatory, do until, but maybe you just don't know how to use it. So I'm going to give you an example. So let's add on a text box. Text box. Now I did actually use do until in one of my previous tutorials. I just realized that. And then on a button. I just realized that. So I'm gonna show you exactly what it does, why it's there, and what it might help you with, okay, and when you should use it. So it's a button to cut. And basically, do until basically self-explanatory. You do something until something else happens. Now, if let's double click on cut, and let's say you let's just say you put in a file name, okay, and you're trying to get the extension of the file name, and this is actually exactly what I did in one of my previous tutorials. I quickly went through do until, and I used it for my extension finder, and it finds the extension and capitalizes. It's pretty much all it does, but I'll really be showing you what the do until does. So let's say do until something equals something else. So text box 1.end.text.ends with. So do this until the text box 1's text ends with, and then the string, which can be whatever you want, but since we're finding extensions, let's do dot, cause it's like whatever, and file name dot exe or dot jpg, whatever. So mp3, whatever, all that stuff. So let's say, basically this is what you're doing until. This is basically what you want to end with. So if you want the end result to be text box 1's text ending with period, then that's what you put here. You just, anything you want to end it with. Now, between do until and loop, which is basically what I'm about to explain, you want to say what you're going to do until text box 1's text ends with period. So let's just say text box 1.text equals text box 1.subtext.substring. And so you're basically making text box 1's text a substring of its text. And by doing that, all you need to do is start at 1. Well, no. You want to start at hold on. You know what? Yeah, you just hold on. I missed something. Let's just say text box 1.text equals text box 1.text.substring string. And we're finding the final 4 characters because that's the longest extension I've seen. Well, actually, use 5. So 0, 2, text box 1.text.length minus 5. So now you have that. So now text box 1's text is the extension name, right? Well, what if the extension is dot 2 letter? What if it's 2 letters? Then it'll say like the last 2 letters of the file name dot whatever 2-letter extension. Okay, and most extensions are 3 letters, and it'd say the last letter of that, whatever. But you still want to be safe and have because I've seen 5-letter extensions out there. Now, do until, whoops, my mic got tilted. Okay, so until this, we want to make sure, let's say starts with here. We want to make sure, let's see how much time okay, still got time. So do until that, and what we want to actually do until that happens is text box 1.text equals text box 1.text dot substring. So again, you're finding a substring 1, and then text box 1.text dot length minus 1. So basically what you're doing with the substring is you're making text box 1's text, you're eliminating the first characters because you're going from the first character on, and the length is the length of the text box minus 1. So, it's complicated. So, that's pretty much all you do. And basically this loop thing, once it does this, it loops. And if it still doesn't start with period, then it does it again, then it loops again. So it does that until it starts with period. So once it says until it starts with period, it starts with period. Now it goes to whatever is under the loop, not specifically right under it, but following the loop, whatever piece of code. So that's basically what it does. Now you want to say, you really don't have to put anything under this loop. So let's just start debugging this. And click on cut. Oh wait, you know what? Sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't even type anything in. What a fail. Okay, I have to type something in, duh. Okay, so let's type in a file name. It doesn't have to be a real file name. Let's just say blah 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 .exe, and then you hit cut, and there's an error. It's fine. How is that? What? La 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 la. Ugh, oh my god. Okay, how stupid can I get? I can get pretty stupid. Now, you want to actually start from the length minus 5, comma, text box 1.text, comma, 5, because you want it to be 5 letters. So now let's try this again. C blah 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 .txt, and you see it cuts it to .txt. Now if you say C blah, whatever dot files, so you see the extension is 5 letters, it glitches out because actually let's make this 6. Okay, 6 because in order to include these 5 letters things, you need to restart it. you don't even need C whatever, blah, 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 dot files, whatever extension is. And it says dot files. So let's just say whatever dot H. Cut. It glitches out again. How? Oh, this is just because, minus the length of the text minus 6. Why is it not glitching out here? Oh. That's because of all this shit. No, stop. Okay. But I mean, I don't know if any 2-letter extensions you'll have. Dot DLI. Oh my gosh, it's still. You know what? I think the problem is that make it 6. I mean, just make it 5, and then it's just. Oh my gosh, I left it at 6. It's just because I left it at 6. Stupid thing. It's just because. Oh my gosh, how? Oh, you know what? I have to. That's so weird. Oh, you know what? I think you have to type a few more characters. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know, it was a 5-letter extension. How stupid can I get? Oh my god. I'm sorry. This is like totally failing. Okay. Simple stuff. S-O-K. Really? It was just working like 10 seconds ago. How? Ugh. So this one, but why is the length of text box 1 0? It should have a value. Because it's a substring. It's really weird. That is really, 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 really weird. That is really, 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 really weird. I'm gonna pause and find a solution. Okay guys, I found a solution. It's really stupid. I changed this to whatever this number was. I mean, it's really stupid. But yeah. So it should be a 1, and then everything works as planned. Like whatever dot SLN, like, you know, and it says dot SLN. So that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and see ya.